Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I got this vibrant pink and green look. Always start by prepping your lids. If you don't have an eye primer, make sure you use a concealer. It's very important to have something on your eyelids before applying eyeshadow so it has something to stick to. And a lot of the time people don't use enough, so make sure you're using enough to get a solid base and then tap it out with your finger to remove any creases. I'm using the Norvina Volume 2 and Volume 4 palettes for this look. Starting with this hot pink in the Volume 4 on a fluffy brush, I'm going to be bringing that into my crease and blending that up towards my eyebrow, and just add a little bit at a time. If it's patchy, just keep adding more, and then after you get that applied, I'm going to take a clean fluffy brush around the edges to really get it smoked out and nice and even around the edges. You want to use a very light pressure around the edges, that way it blends out more smoothly and looks more flawless. With a slightly smaller fluffy brush, we're going to take this darker pink and apply that right into our crease and then slightly blend it upwards, but don't cover all of that first pink that you applied. I'm also going to blend that into my outer V and just bring that in, doing little circles. Next, take some concealer on a flat rounded brush and carve out that cut crease. Make sure you take your time with this and get that line super even. And once you get it on there, fill it in, then tap it with your finger to get out any creases and tap around that outer edge to make sure it blends nicely. After you get that tapped out, take that brush that we used the dark pink with and just also tap that on the outer corner and the outer edge of that concealer to really blend it together. Now switching to the ABH Volume 2 palette, we're going to be taking that neon green shimmer and we're going to take it on the same brush that we applied the concealer with and pack that on to the concealer without overlapping that line. That way it stays nice and crisp. When you get to where the green and pink meet, you're just going to use tapping motions to blend those together. Using NYX glitter glue on another flat rounded brush, we're going to apply that right on top of that green shimmer that we just applied so we can apply glitter. Now I'm just going to take this neon glitter and tap that right on top of the glue. Next, I'm going to take this Glam Vice Cosmetics white liner on a really fine brush and just outline right above that green. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm going to take that dark pink on a fluffy brush again and just blend that about halfway to your inner corner. With another small fluffy brush, I'm going to take this matte bright green from the Volume 2 palette and fill in the rest of our bottom lash line with that. To make it pop a little bit more, I'm going to take that shimmer green and put that right on top. You can't have too much glitter, so I'm also going to be applying some more glitter to the green as well. For my waterline, I'm going to fill it in with this LA Girl neon green liner. With a really small flat brush, I'm going to be taking this to my inner corner as a highlight, and I'm going to blend that up into the pink a little bit and then also down into my lower lash line a little bit. Now just apply mascara and falsies. This is the finished look. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Remember, you can't do makeup if you don't try. I will see you guys next time.